Let me take pen drive. Camera position has changed. Hmm? Am I okay? We cannot move that side, and no, this is camera. Okay. Now, what did you do at meeting? Anybody? Gautam Krishna, 7C participants. 7C participants there. We have to, no, here. Like this, is it okay? No, we have to pin the video, no? Huh? After interaction. No. No, otherwise it will be in a different position. Okay. Time is 11:25. My time is 11:25.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi, hello. How are you?
Fine.
Did you all do the homework?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, you have given only one homework.
Hello.
Hello.
Voice is not clear. Voice is not clear. Just
Ma'am,
speak
how
loud.
many homework did you give?
Only two. Only two sets of homework I
Oh,
have
okay.
given. Am I seen properly?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Let others also join. Okay. Time is
Okay.
11:25. Just wait
Okay.
5 more minutes.
Okay. Arya.
Hello, all of you. How are you? Hmm? Fine, fine. Please speak loudly. I can't hear properly. Okay. And one thing I have to say, children, you have to mute your audio. Okay, speakers. Mute your speakers. When you have to speak only, you have to unmute it. Only when you have to speak, you have to unmute it. After speaking to me, you have to mute it again. Otherwise, whatever is going on there can be heard to me, and also in the video it will be a disturbance. You have seen the previous class, no? Video of the previous class. So that's all because your speakers are not off. Okay. So now you keep the speakers off, and whenever I am starting to ask questions, you can unmute it and speak it out. Okay. Did you write the notes, children? Hello? Answer me.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello?
Yes, ma'am. We wrote the notes.
Okay. Shreya, put the speaker off. Shreya, please put your speaker off mode. Whenever I'm asking questions, you can unmute it, okay? Otherwise, whatever you speak there, it is recorded. Okay. Fine. Gautam Krishna, switch off your speakers. Switch off your speakers. Shahaban K. When I am asking your response, you can answer me. Okay. Click on that and answer me. You have to click on that and answer me. Okay. The mute button. I'll be asking the answers of homework. So you have to click the unmute button and answer me. After that, immediately switch off it. Clear? No mass answering is needed. Okay. Can you take? Hello. Children, it's 11:25. So let's start with the class.
Okay.
So I have given a homework, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay. Hope you all have done. Now I'll be asking to one by one the answers. Let us start with that. Then we'll start with the new topic. Okay. Find the complement of the following angles. 45 degree. I want Agash P. Unikrishnan to answer. Agash?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what is the answer?
45 degree.
45 degree, very good. Now, next is 65 degree. What is the answer? I'll ask you. Yes, Gauri Priya, answer my question. 65 degree. Hello? 65 degree.
25 degree.
What's the answer?
25
degree. Yes, very good. Next one, 41 degree. I'll ask Shahban, answer me. Shahban, what is the complementary angle of 41 degree? What is the complementary angle of 41 degree? Shahban, you can unmute yourself and answer. You are not there. Okay, Nihan Salim. Nihan Salim. Nihan Salim. Unmute your speaker and answer my question. 41 degree. What is the complement of 41 degree? Complementary
49
angle.
degree.
49 degree. Yes, correct. Now, next question is to Baja. Baja, answer me. 54 degree. 54 degree.
36 degree.
36 degree. Okay, very good, very good. Okay, so that is over. Then one more question I have given, isn't it? Anybody got the answer for that? Whoever have got the answer, can click on and answer the question. Second question. It's a little bit high order than what I have given before. Okay. So those who have got the answer, please click on and answer me.
Ma'am, I know them.
Okay.
51 degree.
Who is speaking?
Ma'am,
Bahija.
Hello?
Hello.
Baja.
Yes, ma'am.
Ah, yeah. Yourself. What is the answer?
78 degree.
Hello?
78 degree.
No, difference between two angles was 12. And total you should get 90 degree. Anyway, I'll be explaining that homework. Okay, many of them asked me the doubt. They couldn't do it. So I'll be explaining you on the board. Okay, so let's start with that. After that, I'll explain today's homework.
is it 51 degree and 39 degree?
Okay, correct. That is the answer. 51 degree and 39 degree is the answer. Okay, anyway, I'll explain that. Okay. Wait for a minute. That board is coming. Okay. Okay. So let me do the homework for you. First, the last one. It was. Can you see the screen, children? You can see the screen, no?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So let me do the problem. We had it like this. The difference between two numbers was 12. So let one number be A and the other one is B. Okay. Let one number be A and the other one is B. Now, they are both are complementary angles. So I can write A plus B is equal to 90. Isn't it? A plus B is equal to 90. Now, what is the difference between the two angles? It is 12. So I'll write A minus B is equal to 12. Did you agree with that?
Take over the next.
A plus B, since they are complementary angles, it is 90. A minus B is equal to 12 because the difference is given 12. Now, anyway, I have to avoid this B to get the value of A. I'm going to add both. I'm going to add A.
And this is notes.
Excuse me.
This is notes.
Notes I'll give you. Whatever, no notes. This is all homework you have to do in the rough book. Okay. Notes I'll give you later. A plus B. You can take down in your rough book. Plus B. Excuse me. A plus B plus A minus B is equal to, this side I added and this side also I will add. What is this? 12, isn't it? So what I will get, you have studied algebra, isn't it? Last year you have studied. When what happens when negative 5 plus positive 5, what is the answer? Hello? Hello? Negative 5 plus positive 5. What is the answer? Anybody can unmute, I'll ask.
Answer is
Yeah, Ashwin.
0.
Ashwin, 0, correct. So answer is 0, isn't it? So positive B and negative B. What is the answer? B is, think that B is any number. 0. Okay. So we get A plus A. We will write A plus A and what is B? Positive B plus negative B will become 0. So I am not writing it. So A plus A is equal to 90 plus 2. So what is it? 90 plus 12. So it is 102. 102. Okay. Now 102 I got. So what is A from this? 102 divided by 2. Isn't it? A plus A is 102. So what is A? 102 divided by 2. What is that? That is equal to 51. 51. So that is that is 51. It is 51. Isn't it? So one angle is 51. One angle is 51. So what will be the other angle? 90 minus B is equal to 90 minus 51. That is equal to 39. Okay. So one angle is 51 degree. The other angle is 39 degree. Am I audible, children? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So did you understand?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. So like that, the two angles are, one is 51 degree and other is 39 degree. Okay. Now we will pass on to today's topic, supplementary angles. Okay. Before that, let me ask you one question. What is a complementary angle? We'll come back. What is a complementary angle?
The sum of two angles and measure the
Okay.
And
Sum
when the
of two
sum
angles.
of measure of two angles
Two angles is equal to 90.
angles are called complementary angles.
Okay, very good. Sum of two angles are 90 degree. We can call them as complementary angles. Now we are going to learn a new topic. We are going to learn a new topic. The topic is supplementary angles. What is it? What is it? Supplementary angles. Okay. So, okay. write it. Can you see the board? We are going to write with. Can you see the board? Is the color okay for you? Can you see it? Children?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes,
ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
Supplementary. Don't speak in between. Supplementary angles. Okay. Can you see the board? Clear? Is it clear? Okay. Color is
Yeah,
okay?
ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So we are going to study what is supplementary angle. See, I'm going to draw an angle. You have to add and tell me what is the sum. Okay. This one angle. One angle. Then I'm just showing. Afterwards, I'll draw rough hand because it takes time. Okay. I'm just showing the application of this board. And I'm drawing another angle. This is 110-degree angle. And okay. And this I can write it as 110-degree. And let it be 70-degree. It may not be correct, but 70-degree. We'll take it as 70-degree. Just add it. Both of the angles. Can put arrow mark.
That's
What is the answer? What is the
180
answer?
degree. 180 degree.
180 degree. Okay. Another angle also I'll draw. So we got the two angles. When we add, we got 180 degree. Now, next is I'll draw okay. This one angle. And suppose it is 50 degree. And this one is 130 degree. What is the sum, children? What is the sum? What is the sum?
180 degrees.
Again 180 degree, isn't it? Huh? So this one is 50 degree and the other one is 130 degree. So we got again 180 degree. Such pairs of angles whose sum is 180 degree are called supplementary angles. Such angles whose sum is 180 degree are known as supplementary angles. One angle is known as the supplement of the other. Okay, so we can name it as PQR. This is ABC. Okay, one is PQR, one is ABC. So I can say PQR is a complement of B.
Ma'am,
and, supplement of ABC, and ABC is a supplement of PQR. Okay, children, clear? Okay, so we shall go for the slides. It's loading. So you all understood what are supplementary angles? Excuse
Yes,
me?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Okay. See, children, when you can unmute your audio. Okay. After describing everything, when I'm asking questions, you have to switch on, but see that no sound is heard from your house. Okay. See the definition of supplementary angles. What is it? Two angles are supplementary when they add up to 180 degree. They together make a straight line. What is the measure of a straight angle?
180 degree.
180 degree, isn't it? So straight angle means it is 180 degree. So two angles are supplementary when they add up to 180 degree. They together make a straight line. They can make a straight line because total will be 180 degree. Okay. Now we will pass on to the next slide. Should I zoom it? It is very, I think it is very small. Huh? Now is it okay? It's very big.
No
Is
problem.
it okay?
That was.
Is
Yeah,
it
ma'am.
okay? Okay.
And we can adjust the zooming, ma'am.
Yeah. Here. Okay. Is it okay for you now?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Now, next slide we'll take. See this. What is the sum, children? Sum of angles here.
180 degree.
180 degree.
180, 120 plus 60. So it is 180 degree. Next slide. Is it clear? I'll zoom in. Now, okay. Can you see the board? Can you see the board, children?
Yeah,
Okay.
ma'am.
Can you understand what is written over there? One angle is
Yes.
P, other angle is Q.
You.
And P plus Q together make 180 degree. You are getting a protractor, shape of a protractor, no? Protractor, it is half circle. It is, total it is 180 degree. So in the picture you can see, when I add both the angles, I am getting the shape of a protractor. That is half circle. That is semicircle, 180 degree. Okay. So that means that this angle plus this angle, the two angles P plus Q are supplementary angles. Okay. Then the next one is also the same way. A plus B is equal to 180 degree. See the shape? It is coming like half circle, semicircle. So it is A plus B is equal to 180 degree. A and B are supplementary angles. Next slide. Again, the same thing. You got the same thing. 180 degree. Next. Now you have to answer my question. Okay. Whoever I am calling should answer. Zoom it out.
Can you zoom?
Zoom it. I'm zooming. Oh, zoom out. Is it okay? I think it's okay now for you. Yes, children? Hello? Yes, Aisha? Aisha, unmute yourself. Answer my question. Aisha, check the first one. Tell me, first one, is it a supplementary angle? A pair of supplementary angles? Are they a pair of supplementary angles? No. Why? Okay, why? We won't get 180, no? See, 110 plus 50. It is only 160. Next one, I'll ask Gauri Priya. Okay, switch off, Aisha. Gauri Priya.
No,
what is
ma'am.
answer? Huh?
Third one.
Third one, yes. Good. Only third one is 180 degree. Here also you won't get 180. Here only you will get 50 plus 130. 180 degree. Last one is also not 180 degree. So which are the in this
which in this
only third one is
only third one
a pair of supplementary angle. Okay. So next
Okay.
slide will go.
like we go.
Okay. These are again some
Okay.
questions.
Again, some questions.
Adilakshmi
Lakshmi.
can answer. First one. Think and answer. Okay. You have to think. Can two obtuse angles be supplementary? Can two obtuse angles be supplementary?
Any two obtuse angle, right?
Obtuse angle. Because,
Yeah, of course. No.
because one obtuse angle itself is above 90.
Above 90.
Two obtuse angles means two angles above 90. Okay.
Yeah.
So can they form supplementary angle?
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
I think some connection problem is there. Echoing your voice.
Yeah. I'm also hearing an
Yeah.
echo voice.
First I told yeah, then I told no.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll check it. I'll check it out.
We'll check it out. Okay.
Now I'll wait for a while
I'll
and then
wait.
speak.
And then speak.
Okay. So you speak to me.
Okay.
Say the answer. I should zoom it out.
Speak to me.
Okay.
Say the answer. I
Okay.
should
Now is it
zoom it
clear?
out.
Tell me the answer. Can two obtuse angles be supplementary?
No, not at all.
No, because one angle itself is more than
90.
90, isn't it? Next one. Can two acute angles be supplementary? Can two acute angles be supplementary?
Yes.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Why?
No, ma'am.
It's less than 90 degree.
Each one is less than 90 degree. Then how can they make total 180? Isn't it? Both are less than 90. Then they cannot make together 180 degree. So they cannot form a pair of supplementary angle. Then last one. Can two right angles be supplementary? I'll call
Yes,
it. Go
ma'am.
Biga.
Yes, ma'am.
Go Biga.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the answer. Can two right angles be supplementary?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
because one
very good.
Right angle
Yes,
is 90
because
degree, so
one
both
angle
of
is
them will
90,
be
the other
180
angle is also 90. So 90 plus 90, we will get 180 degree. Correct. So clear, children? What are supplementary angles? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, next slide.
Next slide.
Adjacent angle. This I have to explain more. Anyway, I'll explain it. Okay. So they have a common vertex. They have a common arm. The non-common arms are on either side of the common arm. I'll draw it on the board. Then only you
On
will
either
be,
side of the common arm.
I'll be drawing on the board. Okay. Let me see the next slide. Any picture is given. Okay. No.
Slide. Any
I
picture
have
is
to
given.
explain.
Explain.
See, children, you have to mute your audio. Otherwise, whatever you speak at home will be recorded. Whenever I am not speaking, it will be recording whatever you are speaking at home. Okay. So if when the speaker is on, don't chat at home. Okay. See, I'm going to draw two angles. This thick pen. Just check these lines. Can you see me drawing lines on the board? Okay. What did I draw, children? Two angles, right? Isn't it? Hello? Ahmad Afridi? Okay, your speaker is on. Please answer me. You can see two angles there, no? You can see two angles, no? Angle A and angle B there. Answer it. Can you see the board? Hello? Yes, Mohammad Hishan. Mohammad. Yes, okay. Two angles I have drawn. Two angles I have drawn. One is angle A, the other one is angle B. Can you see that? Okay. Now I'm going to draw another angle. Okay. I'm going to draw another one. Just check. See, what is the peculiarity you can see, children? Let me see whether I can fill color. Okay, then it is good for you. See, two angles. And look at this. I have color two angles, isn't it? So you can see one angle Q, the other one P. And what is the peculiarity of this angles? Do they have a common vertex? Do they have a common vertex? Vertex means, what is vertex? A common point from where they start. That is, suppose I am drawing. Okay. First fill color. Can you see the board, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Now see. So this is a common vertex. You can see that here two arms are there. Suppose this is O, OA and OB. OA is one ray, OB is another ray, and OC is another ray. Isn't it? Ray. You know what is a ray? In the first class we have studied. Okay. Now, next figure. OB, OA and OB, I can write OC. Now, in these two figures, you can see that common point is O. One ray is OA, another one is OB, another one is OC. All the three rays have a common vertex, isn't it? All the three rays have a common vertex. And this is one angle, angle Q. This is one angle, another angle, angle P. They have a common arm. They have a common arm. Okay. This is one angle. This is another angle. They have a angle they have a line or ray in the middle. Okay. That is called common arm. Here also you can see this is one ray. This is another ray. And there is a common arm, common ray between them or common arm between them. Such angles are known as adjacent angles. Such angles are known as adjacent angles. adjacent angles. Okay, so let us pass on to the slides. So did you understood what is adjacent angle? In the next class, I'll be explaining more. Okay, so today's topic is supplementary angle. Time was there, that's why I extended to adjacent angles. We shall see the one. Okay, it's loading. It will come now. These slides you have seen. Let us take adjacent angle. Okay. Okay. One more slide back.
One more slide back.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, two people waiting. Can you see the board, children? Can you see what is written on the board? Sorry, not written. What is
Not written.
Answer me. Who's there? Okay. Nazrin Fatima. Nazrin Fatima, why your video is not on? Nazrin. Come on, answer my question. Yes, unmute your speaker and answer me.
Yes.
See, can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So what is written over there?
They have adjacent angle.
Adjacent angles. Adjacent angles.
Angles.
Okay. They have a common vertex. Did you understand what is a vertex?
Vertex.
Common point from
Common
where they
point,
start.
okay. Okay, ma'am.
Three rays I showed you, isn't it? So
Yes.
all the three rays had a common starting point. Then second one, they have a common
They have a
arm.
common
Arm. Common ray in between. You saw one common ray in between. Two arms are there in the middle. One ray is there, isn't it? In the middle. Did you see that?
Yes.
Yes. Now third one, the common arms are on either side of the common arm. Non-common arms. That is one common arm is in the middle. Both sides, other arms are there. Did you see that?
Yes.
Okay. Again, I'll show the figure.
Okay.
You can see. Okay.
You can see. Okay.
Next figure. See the figure. Can you see the figure, children? You can see the figure,
Yes.
no? Okay.
Yes.
So see the first one. First one, you see, first figure. I have to zoom again. Oh God. Gone.
Again. Oh God.
Okay.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes. Yes. Can you see the board?
Yeah, ma'am.
Tell me. First one. Are they adjacent angles? Are they adjacent angles?
Ma'am,
Mm.
ma'am, I was not there for sometimes net connection, so I don't know what is it.
Okay. Ashwin P. Sunil. Hello. Ashwin. Yes, ma'am. Are they adjacent angles? Can be called as adjacent.
Ma'am, the video is cut and going. Ma'am, video is cut and going.
Ahmad Afridi. Afridi. Yes. No. Hiba Fatima. Now only joined. So what about the first one? Anybody can answer? Yes. Click on.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me, first one. Can you say are they adjacent angle?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Then second one, do they form adjacent angle? See, one common arm is there in the middle, isn't it? Angle 1 and angle 2, you see, one common arm is there in the middle. To right side, another arm is going. To left side also, other arm is going. So there is a common point, vertex is there. Then there is a common arm. Then other two arms are going. Other two arms are at both sides of the common arm. Clear? So are they a pair of adjacent angle? Are they a pair of adjacent angles? Say yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So third one. Do they form adjacent angle?
No.
No, because they don't have a vertex. Common vertex is not there, isn't it? And so they cannot be called as a pair of adjacent angle. Okay. So today's class, I'm winding up. Time is up. Okay, children. See you in the next class. Homeworks will be given on supplementary angle. I'll explain this once again next class. Okay. Today's topic was only supplementary angle. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Hope you all have understood, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Okay, children. Bye. Okay.
Bye.